Show me. Here you have one. Yay! One teeth. Good morning. Today I'm feeling a bit exhausted and this little guy is whining. He wants to be in my arms all the time. Mom, mom, mom. I think today will be a cuddle day and maybe do some boring chores at home. I need to do the laundry and steam the floor. Oliver wants to play with his balls and now he's on the... So I think I'll take it. So Oliver, now you can play. So climb in. See if he... Yes, that's the door. Yay! Oliver, you made it! In the balls! Yay! And you folded this one as well. So we just unfold it. So someone's happy with his ball. Pool of ball is fun, isn't it? Good job, Oliver. Oh, are you rolling the ball? Here you go. Wild and crazy. Aren't balls fun to play with, Ollie? Oliver, catch. Oh, you're gonna fall over. This whole tent is... Oh! Where is Oliver? Oliver, where are you? Can you find your way out? Hi! You're trapped in there. This is Ollie, who's unhappy. He didn't get allowed to use the camera, and when I'm saying no, this is what happens. And now he found the zebra, so it's all good now again. We're taking a little trip to the local mall because Oliver is whining at home and he's not satisfied at all. I think it's because he just had one more tooth coming up. So now he has 3 tooths. So yeah, I think the mall will distract him a bit and let him to play around and get rid of all the energy. Oliver, can we show them that your teeth? Can you show them? Ollie! Can we show you your teeth? Show me! Here you have one! Yay! One teeth! Can we show you the other? Oh! Yay! There it is! Oh, you got 2 teeth! And can we show them the third? Nope, you want the binky. Okay. Ollie just woke up from his nap, and as you can see, he is still wearing his thick sweater from when we were at the mall. He fell asleep in it, so I didn't take it off. He just woke in now, so we are just chilling from the TV and watching some old Daily Bumps. Go and hide, Oliver. Where is Oliver? Where is Ollie? Peekaboo! Hi! Again. Where is Ollie? Peekaboo! Are you gonna run and hide? Hide, Ollie. Hide! Where is Ollie? Peekaboo! Think that he's 1 year old and he's learned to play peekaboo. And he's really enjoying to run off and hide. But when little guy is growing up, he's already had 3 teeth. Oliver didn't have any teeth at all when he turned 1, and now he's 1 year old and 1 month, and he already got 3 teeth. Hey, do it again. Yeah! Are you playing? So cute. Oliver, get the ball. Throw it. Oh, into the water. There! Chase it! Chase it! Oh! Oh! Chase it more! More! Oh! God. He's crawling. I've never seen him crawl so much. Go and get it! Throw it to mommy! Throw it! Yeah! Yes! Nice technique, Oliver. I like how you're crawling. Can you chase the ball? Oliver? Oh. Get it! Go, go, go! It's like playing fetch with a dog, but I'm playing with my son.
Hello there, beautiful. Hey, how you doing? Hello. Oliver has gotten really good at climbing the stairs. He's climbing and climbing, and also talking a lot while climbing. So it's
He's multitasking.
It's multitasking, yeah.
He gets that from his mom.
Hello. Now I need to get him. Don't run away. It's dark up here. Don't you want to come down? Really? Yay! You went all the way up the stairs and into the darkness.
Always a new game. Turn as many times as you can.
It's like a tilt-a-whirl, but manual.
Ooh, watch out, you're falling. Never-ending game. Oh, watch out.
Oh, you're getting dizzy.
You're so drunk looking.
Watch out. Watch out for that lantern.
Ooh.
Better sit down. Yeah. That's kind of smart. When you get too dizzy, just sit down and wait for it to end.
So I just put Oliver down for the night. And I think he's already asleep. So this is the end of this day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And please press subscribe if you haven't, and support us. See you tomorrow. Hej då!